Or a digital picture frame review, the perfect gift for loved ones. Looking for a smart and stylish way to display cherished memories? The Aura digital picture frame delivers an effortless photo sharing experience with top-notch features, making it an excellent choice for your home or as a thoughtful gift. With a sleek design and a 10.1-inch HD display, the frame is compact yet vibrant, offering a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. The color-calibrated screen ensures your photos look vivid and lifelike, while smart features like automatic brightness adjustment and photo cropping enhance the viewing experience. It even includes a built-in speaker for video playback, making it more than just a photo frame. Setting up the frame is quick and easy. Simply connect it to Wi-Fi, download the free Aura app, and start sharing photos directly from your phone. Both Apple, iOS 14 Plus, and Android, 5.0 Plus, devices are compatible. Family and friends can also contribute their photos, and with unlimited free storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space. This frame truly shines as a gift. Before sending it to a loved one, you can preload photos, videos, and even a personal message, creating a heartfelt and one-of-a-kind present. Pros: easy setup with an intuitive app. Unlimited free storage with no subscription fees. Smart features like auto brightness and cropping. Recognized by Wirecutter and Oprah's favorite things. High customer ratings, 4.7 stars from over 14,000 reviews. Cons: moderate resolution compared to premium models. Limited to landscape orientation. In summary, the Aura digital picture frame combines ease of use, thoughtful features, and gifting appeal, making it a standout choice for displaying and sharing memories. Whether for yourself or a loved one, this frame is a great addition to any home. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.